Good morning, welcome to Spy Money. So last night I ran the bot in the evening time and I made $23.75 on 4 contracts, and I went ahead and turned it on this morning. I slept in this morning, so there's a lot of good trades in here. I mean, I missed all that run. I missed every bit of it, and a lot of good trades. So this could have been done a long time ago. But I didn't get it turned on until around 9 o'clock. I'll usually turn it on around 9. And usually if there's a news event, I'll wait till after the news and then turn it on. So my first trade was a loser. It looked like it was going to be a winner too. But we had a loser right out of the gate. And then it had another winner, and then a winner. And then this one right here closed off my max gain, which I had it set for $2,100. And at $2,100 it shut off, which is close to 21 because it depends on your slippage. So it come out to $19.95 right over here. So $2,000, that's my goal. 50% of my trade, I'm trading 4 contracts, that's $4,000, so I'm looking to make $2,000. At that point I just shut it off. There's nothing else to prove. Right here would have been another winner. And right now it would be in a short, but I don't know how this one's going to play out. It may. If it comes down to about right here, then it would be a winner. And it looks like it's going to be a winner maybe. But anyway, you could have made another one here. Actually, right here was a winner too. It would have entered here, and that would have taken profit. So there's a winner. There's a winner. This right here would have been a loser. Right here would be a winner. So again, you're not going to have a 100% win rate. So what did we have today? We had 82.35%. That's where we are right here. Here's all the information about the trades and how it worked out. $19.95 is the gross. And we had $1,020 drawdown. That was our first trade. And 17 total trades, which is with 4. That's actually deceiving because there's 4 contracts. And so this right here is kind of deceiving, but it's 82.35% win rate, 14 winning trades, 3 losing trades, and that all goes by the contracts. I don't fully understand how NinjaTrader does this because we can see right here that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 winners. That would, at 4 contracts, would be 16. And then there's 4 contracts here lost, so I don't know how NinjaTrader does that, but that's what it comes out to be. So there's 100% winning on the long, 76% on the short, and did pretty good. Real happy with this bot. It does. It's a very consistent bot if you know how to use it, and that's what we train to do. The bot does not have these levels on it. These are indicators, so that is something for you to determine. Like this one here, I would have taken profit down here if I manually moved it. But with the YouTube videos and such, I leave them untouched unless I tell you otherwise. But for the most part, I leave them untouched. This one here, I would have put up here to this level. I would have made more money there. And this one right here would have been right on the mark. This one I probably would have taken less profit or maybe not even entered, but it actually worked out real well. But the Ninja Suite does a good job with the coaster. It is our favorite bot. It's the main one that everybody uses, and some people still use some of the other indicators and stuff. Man of War is a real popular one, and so there are some that people use, but for the most part, coaster is what we use. I keep improving on coaster daily to try to figure out different ways to make it work even better than what it already works. So we're constantly improving it. Coaster is the bot of choice, and it's I don't really think that I would ever make another bot. That's to be determined, but I think that Coaster's the one that is the most consistent and does the best, and that is what we are focused on. So how do you get involved? You go up to spymoneyllc.com, and then you come up here to the Ninja Suite. You click on that, and that's going to open up this page. It's a little short video here to tell you what is going on. If you like what you see, then you can join. one thing about it is a lot of people think that auto trading bots are set it and leave it. These are not set it and leave it bots. If you turn this on and just let it run all day and go to work, there's a good chance you're going to lose money. There's days that it makes a lot of money, and there's days that will lose a lot of money. So you don't really know what it's going to do. There are safety parameters in there that will allow you to filter out a lot of trades. There's a lot of different filters we use, and they work pretty good for the most part. But again, you need to be watching your bot. Don't turn something on and go somewhere else. You need to be constantly watching it, just to make sure, one, you don't have a loss of internet and be stuck in trades you shouldn't be. There are, with prop firms, there is a constant hanging order with prop firms, so even manually trading. So you want to make sure that you are using it accordingly. So what I tell everybody is run the bot while you're watching it. And now there's one thing you can do is, if on your live account, you can go into NinjaTrader website and you can set up safety parameters in there to where you can't lose more than X dollars or make more than X dollars. And so there's a safety parameter there as well. But I don't recommend running a bot on its own and just walking away. You want to be there to monitor that bot. Here's some videos of different ones that we run and the profits. It shows the losing trades, the winning trades, and so forth. There's also a video here how to do what I'm getting ready to show you. So what you need to do is you need to read through this. If you do not agree to all 14 items, do not ask to join. This is a binding contract. So what you do is you left click and drag this all the way down. You copy it, you right click and copy, and you go up to contact us. When you go up here, you're going to put your first name, last name, email, phone number, and then you're going to right click and click paste. And when you send this, that is creating a binding contract between us. That means that you have read these 14 items and you agree to these 14 items. If you don't agree to any of them, then don't send it, because this right here is what we want you to know. We want you to know before you give any money whatsoever of what to expect and the rules that we go to do. The number one thing is spy bot, auto trading bots are not a set it and leave it bot. You cannot turn these on and make money. You can't turn them on and walk away and make money. It won't happen. So you come down here, we have several bots, but the coaster is the main one that we use. Here's a bunch of different indicators we have. Here's the add-on and drawing tools we have. Here are the frequently asked questions. Read through this. If you have any more questions after that, send me a contact and ask me. I'll be more than happy to help you. So once you get started in this, if you don't have the money, there are a couple recommended funded prop companies that we recommend. And I think right now the big one going on that is probably the favorite of most people is BluSky has a static drawdown of $200,000, and so it's got a $2,000 loss. There is no trailing drawdown, so if you have to make $4,000 over the course of 3 days. So if you try to make about about $1,400 a day on one contract, then you pass and then you go to a live account. Now, when you go to a live account, BluSky actually has a true live account. That's set up an account with NinjaTrader. There's real money involved, and they make money off of the money you make. Where these others, they make money off of resets and so forth. They're all good companies, or else I wouldn't have them on there. But there are rules that you have to follow. With the BluSky, there's only really one rule. Don't blow the $2,000, the drawdown. If you don't do that, then you should be fine. And quite honestly, $2,000 drawdown on one contract is a lot. If you're blowing that account, then you're not ready for live money. You're not ready for your own live account. So I think the BluSky is the main one to do. If you click on this, it'll open up their site, and then once you get in there, then you can click on the static drawdown. I'm gonna make a video on that here real soon to explain more about that. There's also VPS, so if you don't have a computer strong enough, you can do a VPS. This is the one I recommend. Prices change. I'm not sure what the price is now, but the medium is all you really need. This Pro is actually a lot better, but the medium is all you need if you're going to run just the bot, and that will help you out. But if you have any questions or anything, let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you. Again, we're at our 50% and I stop it. So if we look back, this one right here would have been, that would have entered there. Honestly, with it getting close to that support right there, I definitely would have had my break even in, so I wouldn't have had a full loss, but it was a full loss. This one right here was a winner, so you got one loser, one winner. This right here is a loser, so there's 2 to 1. Right here's a winner, so there's 3 to 1. I'm sorry. Let's see, what is that? 1, 2, 2 losses, 1 winner. 2, 2, 2, 3. That one 2, 3, so that would be 3, 3. And then this one here would have been 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, and this right here would have been a winner. So there's four losses and 6 winners. So when you get around the chop area like this right here, when it's going sideways, there are rules that if you would have been following the rules, you would not have taken any trade in here. Yeah, none of the trades would have been taken if you follow the rules. But it's a good product. It does a very good job. There's a lot of people posting profits. There are people that still can't do it. So just because you join don't mean you're going to make money. It's just not the way it works. So some people just can't grasp it. And join it for a month, see what you think. If you don't like it, don't resubscribe. The majority of the people that we have subscribe every day. I've got people that's been with me for we've been in business for almost 5 years, and I've got people that's been with me since day one. So there's a lot of people that's actually doing real well, and let's just see if you can follow the rules. If you're not a rule follower, you don't want to do this. But if you're a rule follower and you can do some just basic rules, there's not a lot, but if you can do basic rules, then you should do pretty good. So join up today while you can. We're going to shut the lease off here pretty soon. If the link is up there, then you can join. If it's not, then I will post on the website of when it stops. As long as I can handle the members in the Ninja Suite, then I will keep it open. But when it gets to where it's too much, then I'll close the lease and just allow just the members in there at the current time. If you have any questions or anything, let me know. Hope to see you join and get started with this. It's really pretty basic. It's not hard at all. It's really hard not to make money with this, but it does happen. You all have a great day, and I will talk to you later.